What's up mga kapiggybanks? Again, this is Christian Rivera, your Daddy Biggie Bank, bringing in a new video now regarding a new investment given by the Philippine government. Naghahanap po ba kayo ng passive income? Somewhere na pwede nyo ilagay yung pera nyo aside from 1111. Somewhere safe, someone guaranteed ang earnings. At pwede pa kayo manalo ng 1 million pesos.
Wow!
We're talking about the Premyo Bonds that will open this November 10. And we are starting right now. First off, let's talk about the principles and basics ng Premyo Bonds. Well, itong retail treasury bonds or ang tawag is Premyo Bonds is umuutang ang gobyerno sa tao. Wag po kayo mag-alala, normal lang po yun. They're using it to fund their projects. Last year, ginawa na rin nila po to for their build project. Now, since na tamaan tayo ng pandemic, our government is aiming for 3 billion pesos na kaya-kaya naman once mag-invest tayo. Now, this is safe and guaranteed kapag naghulog ka ng, sabi natin, 50,000 pesos. For sure, yung capital mong 50,000 pesos will babalik sa'yo. Now, guaranteed, hindi lang ang capital, pati ang earnings. Pag sinabi na lang 3% per annum ang makukuha mo, which is higher than the regular savings accounts, 3% ang makukuha mo, panigurado. Pasok na pasok din dito yung may malilit na kapital. Kasi sa 500 mo lang, may investment ka na. What makes this different? Plus, pasok na pasok sa panlasa ng Pinoy is 1 Premyo Bond investment means 1 raffle entry na pwede kang manalo ng brand new car, brand new condo unit, brand new house, and 1 million pesos.
Wow!
Feeling ko, kaya ginawa ng Philippine government tong Premyo Bond is kaysa mga Pinoy, dinataya nila yung pera nila sa loto, online casinos. Ba't hindi na lang dito, di ba? Kasi sa loto, napakababa ng chance mo manalo. Plus kapag nalagay mo na, talo na, hindi mo na makukuha ulit. Pero kung dito, makuha man yung entry mo o hindi, mananalo ka pa rin. Kasi tutubo pa rin yung pera mo. Think of it as a seed for your future. And here is how you register for the Premyo Bonds. And here are the participating banks. And here is for our OFW friends. So there you have it. Not only are you able to help your government plus yung mga kababayan nyo sa investment na to, you're able to help yourself as well by planting a seed for your future. Wala pong ibang magpapasalamat sa inyo sa pagsimula ng investment na to kung hindi sarili nyo. So tara, maghulog na tayo. And see you on the next episode.